Hi Sydney, my name's Hunter. I'm a student physical therapist. I'll be working with you today. Today we're gonna listen to some heart sounds. And so to get started, I'm gonna take that gown and I'm gonna drape it over you. You're gonna take your shirt off and then put your arms to the gown and then we'll get started, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead and you can take the sleeve out, put it into the gown sleeve. Okay. So, Sydney, I'm gonna need to listen to a few sounds on the front of your chest here, okay? They'll be kind of higher, then a couple lower. And there's another one that's a little bit lower here. I'll instruct you when we get there, but I'll just have you take your opposite hand and move away your breast tissue, okay?
Yep.
All right, go ahead and just lower your gown just a little bit farther for me. Perfect, and just feel a spot on your chest. Good. And just move it a little bit lower down on the left side. There you go. Good. Okay. Go ahead now and use your right hand to move away your breast tissue, please. Good. Awesome. Okay, Sydney, we're gonna go ahead and you can put your shirt back on here, okay? So I'm gonna help you get this gown untied and then we'll go from there, okay? Good?
Yep.
Okay, and so for the video, the sounds we listened to up top were the aortic on the right and pulmonic on the left. Those are the S2 heart sounds, and then I moved down, and then they were in the second intercostal space. I moved down on the left side, 2 intercostal spaces, the 4th intercostal space, and listened to the tricuspid valve. And then when I came around from the back side, it was in the 5th intercostal space, and we're listening to the mitral or bicuspid valve. And the tricuspid and bicuspid are the S1 heart sounds.